In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently make a payment to a vendor using our system. This process is straightforward, but following each step carefully will ensure everything is correctly documented and processed without error. So, without further ado, let's get started. The first step is to navigate to the expenses section of our platform. Once you've accessed this area, look for the Vendors tab. This is where all your vendors' information is compiled, allowing you to view, manage, and make payments to them. Clicking on Vendors will present you with a list of all the vendors you work with, providing a convenient overview of each one. Here, you can easily find the specific vendor you need to make a payment to. Simply scroll through or search for their name if you have many vendors, and select the one you intend to pay. Once you've selected your vendor, you'll notice a few different options for viewing their details and previous transactions. What you want to do next is to click the Make Payment button. This will prompt the system to open a new window or tab specifically designed to handle the payment process. It might feel a bit daunting the first time, but don't worry, this form is your friend, guiding you through entering the necessary details to process your payment securely and accurately. Now, it's time to enter your payment details. Depending on your arrangement with the vendor, you may need to include the payment amount, your preferred payment method, and any reference numbers or notes that might help you or your vendor keep track of what this transaction is for. Accuracy is key here, so double check the information before moving on. If you're including additional notes or setting a unique reference or memo for your payment, be concise yet descriptive to avoid any confusion later on. After you've input all the required information, you'll see an option to save your payment details. This step not only processes the payment, but usually stores the information as a financial record within the system. Pressing save effectively submits the payment for processing. It's a good practice to wait a few seconds or minutes, depending on your internet speed, for confirmation that the payment was successfully submitted. This confirmation will usually appear as a screen notification or a status update in the vendor's profile, so you know everything went through correctly. And that's it. You've not only made a payment to your vendor, but also kept the transaction documented, ensuring your financial records remain up to date. Remember, the more organized and meticulous you are with each step, the smoother your payment process will be. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to like the video if you found it useful, and subscribe for more content like this.